Welcome to my Ship It Research Scraper video tutorial. First, click the Download the extension button to get the file. After you've downloaded the zip file, unpack it. It's best to move the resulting folder somewhere you can easily access and keep it. Next, click the Extensions icon in your browser and go to Manage Extensions. Make sure Developer Mode is switched on. Now click Load Unpacked and choose the folder you just saved. Be sure to select the main folder that contains these two subfolders. I've done this already, so the extension is here. You might see an error, but that's not a problem for now. I'll check on that later. Now you can access the extension. Let's open it on a page to see the interface. Click the settings icon here to add your OpenAI API key if you have one. Alternatively, enable only capture raw content. Then you won't need an API key since it saves only the raw text. In these settings, you can also choose to store only AI summaries to save space and set the maximum number of replies to capture. Once you're set up, you can go to a site like Reddit, search for your topic and find a thread with a good number of comments. It's best to scroll down first to load them all. Then just open the extension and click Capture Post to grab the comments. After you've captured what you need, and this works with YouTube videos too, you can click View Vault to see your saved content. Here in the vault, you can click on any item to read the captured comments directly. You can then export everything at once or select specific items to export. This will download a JSON file with all the data. I will also be adding an option to export your data as a CSV file in the future. The JSON file can be imported into the market demand scanner, which I'll demonstrate in a separate video. Or you can simply take the information from the file and paste it into ChatGPT, Claude, or your favorite AI to start your product ideation and creation process. You can scan these discussions for product ideas or use them to get content for your product-based marketing materials. For example, if I export these topics, I can use them as a basis for an SEO course, a checklist, or another SEO-related product. It gives me a great foundation based on the experience of others. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.